Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today I will show you how to update apps on the Play Store. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. From the menu, select My Apps Games. Here you'll see a list of apps that have updates available. Tap on Update All to update all apps at once, or tap Update next to a specific app. Wait for the apps to finish updating. Once updated, you can start using the latest features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.